Hey, my name is Ashanti and you're watching my trendy bun tutorial. So today I'm gonna be doing a simple slip back bun with no part. Hopefully my forehead don't look big, but I've been wearing this bonnet by Sleeping Beauty's bonnets. I'm gonna put the link in the description. But I've had these braids in, like, I washed my hair and put my hair in these braids like days ago. But I just got out of the shower and I wet them for this style. But I'm gonna make a video on how I prep my hair. Like, this is like really bad. I normally don't go this long with my hair like this. Normally I do this because I can't braid to the scalp, so I do this and then I put what is it called, a bandana on top. So take this out. And I already have some product on here. I have some conditioner and I have a little of this. So yeah. So my hair is already wet. I really don't need no water, but I do have this spray bottle and I'm gonna wet this part. I really don't want to comb my hair, but I'm just pulling it back just a little bit. Just so I don't have no part no more. Like that. Got this Eco Styler gel. I'm just gonna put that right around my edges. My head finna look so big right now. And you gotta make sure you get this little part right here, cause it don't be liking to get no powder on it. I like how this looks. Perfect. So since I brushed it, it's already smooth. My hair was already detangled. So I'm gonna use this brush that I got from the beauty supply store. It got hair in it. I'm sorry. I didn't clean it, but it's my hair, so it don't matter. This is the brush. And if y'all see white stuff, that is from the product that's already in it that I showed y'all before. It's a hole in my shirt. I'm gonna give y'all a little. I really just brush it for a little. I'm gonna brush the bottom just a little bit, but I'm not really putting no product on the back because I don't feel like nobody gonna really see the back. I cannot believe it's a hole in my shirt. So I'm gonna put this on the end. And then scalp itching. I just want to make sure it's not no bump right here. Which it probably is gonna be a bump. Cause every time I do my hair like this, it's always a bump. But I don't know. These I've been using these for like a couple months and they were perfectly fine. I don't know why they just want to start popping like firecrackers lately. Yeah, this how I do my buns. I go at the bottom and I twist the bottom like that. And then I bring it around and let it shape itself. My hair is wet, so my bun not deep. And I get this. Put that on there. Like that. And then I'm gonna pull these edges down. We're not doing no fancy edges. I'm doing my regular edges. I can't see, my eyes is hurting. I'm gonna just curl this. Okay, hold up. Go like this. I can't see what I'm doing, but I hope. Yeah. Then I'm using my scrunchie from Sleeping Beauty Bonnets. I'm just gonna add that to my bun. You can't even see my bun because it's so little. You like to can. It don't even matter. I like it. I don't like this. So I got this edge control. It's by, I was gonna use Shiny Gem, but I don't have no more. So it's this. I don't like edge control, any edge control. So getting a reference from me, it doesn't even matter because I don't care. I just know it's thicker. So we about to see. So I'm just putting it at this part so this part can stay down. Ugh, I don't like that. Let me see something. Okay. Ooh, I like that. The curl ain't it though. What is that? This make me mad. This side not that bad. I don't even want to fool with this side because I like this side. I look like a little sunflower thanks to Sleeping Beauties. My edges look really good. This is Eco Styler. They be doing that little rub challenge. This is Eco Styler. I'm not rubbing it hard. I ain't even gonna cap. I'm not rubbing it hard at all. But it is getting hard. So I hope y'all enjoyed this little mini tutorial. I got more videos on the way. I got a lot of ideas that I want to do. I just have to get more consistent, and I've been working, so I've been like really busy, but I got like a plan and we're gonna be good. We're gonna have a lot of videos on the way. Also, I want to let y'all know forgot what I was gonna say.